Ever wonder if you're putting the right decal sticker for your Royal Enfield toolbox? Today we're breaking down the G versus the G2. It's a common mistake, but the secret is all in the gold pinstriping within the wings. Let's look at the G model first. On this G model sticker, it's very clean. If you look at the wing portion, there is just one single golden line inside each wing. It's minimalist. But when the G2 model came out, they decided to add a bit more detail to the design. On the G2 decal sticker, the wing portion is busier. Instead of one, you actually have two golden lines running through each wing. So it's simple. G has one line, G2 has two. If you want your restoration to be 100% period correct, that's the detail you can't ignore. Check your toolboxes and let us know which one you have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Enfield tips.